Hello dear user she's, it's Josh. This is my Dell AT102W. It's a mechanical keyboard from probably the mid to late 90s. It uses Alps SK series black switches. They're not the best of the black switch series or the worst, they're in the middle. Some people refer to them as black pine, although that's an unofficial term for them. It's probably one of the best boards I own, due to the switches and whatever, and it not being the most out of place looking thing, other than it's beige. Only problem is that it only has 4-key rollover because of the controller that they used and the matrix on the circuit. A little bit annoying, but not much I can do about that. The older cheap mechanical one that has anti-ghosting, whereas this doesn't. So yeah, I don't get the best of the PS2 platform. But whatever. I think we ought to see how this stacks up. Right, there we go.